last ever assessment tomorrow for my university degree.
Clap if you care. Clap if you care.
And I have no life plan. I'm like getting a bit nervous, and what better use of my time than to film a YouTube video. I had this thought that at the age of 20 I should like know some things about how to do makeup, and I don't. I see all these people doing these cute like eyeshadow looks and everything, and like just knowing how to do their makeup, and I'm like very jealous of that. And I think, you know, it's not just gonna absorb into my brain like telepathy or whatever. So I'm gonna be learning how to do makeup. I found this video. The first thing she said is to get a concealer. And what'd she say? A matte. The first thing she said is to get a concealer, which I have. I don't know if it's like the right kind of one. She did like specify, but this doesn't say anything. So she's using kind of like like, I don't know what the name is. It's like square. I have one, but it's got like eyeshadow on it from like ages ago because I never use it. But I have this. You know, she put it under her eyebrow and then like brought it in. Oh, we're really close now. Yeah. This is not working the way that I think it's meant to. Oh, I got it in my eyebrow. You're a real problem. Ooh, that is a problem. We literally just started and I've just like ruined my eyebrow.
Honey, it was ruined when she bought it.
Even more than it was already. I don't know if you can see the like texture of that, but like it's not giving.
Back off, ya spooky bitch!
I don't know if you can even see that, but it's not looking good. She's using an eyeshadow palette that I don't have, but I have a bunch that I feel like whatever colors get picked, like I'll be able to find similar enough ones. Okay, so you're gonna get an eyeshadow that is like just darker than your eyelids. My eyelids are really pale. This is most definitely expired. Maybe like that one. Is it doing anything? It looks like nothing on camera, but I can see it on my like magnified mirror. It just looks like nothing. It kinda just looks like my eyes are a bit like bruised. YOLO! Okay, now I have to go in with a smaller brush. I don't really have a smaller brush. And you're going with a darker shade, like she said, like dark brown. Like that. That's darker. I feel like this just gets worse the more that I do. We're just gonna keep going and just deal with it, really. I think my left one looks better than the right, but neither of them look good. This is so bad.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but
Oh my god.
you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I really foresaw this going better than it is. Kind of. I mean, I didn't even have high hopes, but I think I'm not even meeting my low expectations. Like, the bar is in hell, and I kind of still am not reaching it. Okay, now it's time for a light color. She's doing like a matte, like just a plain light color. But she said if you wanted to do shimmer, you could use like a flat brush, which is kind of all I have, and I love sparkles. So this, you can't even see it. It's kind of sparkly and it's light. She said just press it. How am I so bad at this? Whatever, we're doing the other eye now.
One eternity later.
This just gets better and better. I kind of misunderstood the shimmer thing because it didn't have to be a super light color. So maybe I'll go back in with like a a fun pink sort of shimmer. So if I just get like a pretty sparkly color right now, that's a bit darker. That is literally, I'm not doing anything. You're actually not going to believe this. Actually, everybody is going to believe this. I don't have a smaller brush to do this next bit with. This palette has one of these. You know, I don't think it's going to make anything worse at this point. Oh my god, this is so bad. I don't even know what to say about that. She just cut the video to put on lashes and eyeliner off camera. I don't know who she thinks I am. I needed some instruction for that. Should I just do it anyway? I'm committed to this. This has not been opened. I'm going to use this. Okay, this is what it looks like. She said she has an eyelash, an eyeliner and eyelash tutorial, but I'm so lazy. Is it even doing anything? That hurts, bro. What the hell? Oh, that is so bad. Oh dear. Oh, to the surprise of no one, eyeliner might have been a bit too much for me, a bit too ambitious. That is not coming off. I'm just gonna have to curl my eyelashes enough that it looks like it's not there. Are you meant to curl your eyelashes before or after you put mascara on? I don't care. It's not like it's gonna ruin the look. The eyeliner is really... it's ruining the whole look. Is this what mascara is supposed to look like? It kind of reminds me of like spider legs. Whoa, jump scare. I just looked at myself in the phone camera. At least it's covering the eyeliner catastrophe. You know, I think it's just a lesser of two evils at this point, even if it looks like spider legs. Now we're doing under the eye. She said it's easier than the other stuff. My eyelashes are in the way. Wow, I look rough. Did that fix it, guys? Is it all better now? I feel like it's giving me like two sets of eye bags. It's like, looks like there's one there and then the real one starts down there. Look at that! If the look we were going for was like tragic, I think we nailed it. This is what it looks like up close. Thanks for being here on this journey. No one is watching, but I will be. Slayed, honestly. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here on this journey that will probably not be happening again. Bye!